Hi there, I'm Ben Morton and welcome to this short video on spring cleaning for leaders. Now bear with me on this one as I appreciate it's a slightly strange topic for me to be talking about. But spring is finally here. The days are getting longer, new leaves are starting to grow and bulbs are emerging, all signs that spring has finally arrived. It's a fresh start for nature, so perhaps we should pay attention and do the same. Over the past few months, much clutter will have built up in our homes, workspaces and brains. So now is the perfect time for a bit of spring cleaning. And this isn't just an exercise for the house proud and the uber organised. It's a valuable task for each and every one of us. A study by the Princetown Neuroscience Institute found that people are more stressed, distracted and less productive in disorganized spaces. Another study by the University of Southern California suggests that clutter can be visually distracting too. These distractions serve as a nagging reminder of incomplete jobs and chores undone, which prevent us from relaxing at the end of the working day. Whether on your PC or desk, in your home or car, clutter is clutter. And this clutter can have a significant impact on our effectiveness as a leader. Here are just a few examples to consider. Number one is visual overload. Our brains have a limited capacity for processing information. Looking at too many things at once or too much clutter overloads the visual cortex. This reduces the brain's ability to focus, process information and make decisions. Some of the key things we're paid to do as leaders. A clean and organised environment, therefore, means that we can process information differently because there's less visual noise for our brains to contend with. Number two, clutter equals stress. Clutter can trigger the stress hormone cortisol, which increases tension and anxiety. This stress can trigger a series of unhelpful coping strategies that quickly form into new habits. It's amazing how we humans tend to have Velcro for the bad habits and Teflon for the good ones. And more often than not, it starts with poor food choices, which causes our energy levels to spike or leaving us with an overarching sense of tiredness and fatigue. As a result, we aren't motivated to exercise, so we have a few glasses of our favourite tipple while staying up to binge watch another TV show. This in turn means we don't get enough quality sleep, so the next day begins with another set of poor food choices. And so begins a downward spiral. Number three, clutter distorts our sense of time. Yes, clutter may also change our perception of time. Being surrounded by stacks of paper, unopened mail and general clutter tells our brains that there is too much to do. As a result, we feel overloaded and are more inclined to cancel meetings, skip the gym or forego social appointments with friends and loved ones. Clear and organised spaces, on the other hand, help decrease this sense of overwhelm. They make us feel as though we're in control and that we can tackle the day ahead much more effectively. This is all fascinating stuff, right? And some of the neuroscience may have grabbed your attention. But knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge, however, is a superpower. So, my question is, what are you going to do next and when will you do it? What about spring cleaning your leadership skills? If you'd like to dust off your leadership skills so that you can successfully lead your team to deliver the results that you're accountable for, then I've got just the program for you. I've handcrafted a new and improved version of my ever popular 10 for 10 leadership program to help you go from good to great as a leader. It's called the 10 for 10 Leadership Program Gold Edition. If you're willing to put in some work and want to see excellent results, you can sign up for the program below and receive a 50% discount using the code SPRING50. But hurry, there are just 100 discount codes available, and when they're gone, they're gone. I know you're going to find it super useful. I hope this video has been useful. Take care of yourself, take care of those you've got the privilege and responsibility to lead, and until next time, lead on.